Hello everyone. Let us see how we traded today. First, I'll show you the stocks which we planned for today. We'll see what happened to all these stocks and then we'll look at index trading. These were all the 8 stocks which we planned. 4 are like 15 minutes selling opportunities and like 4 are like hourly income trades which we planned today. And let us see how many of these stocks has given entry and how many of them given profit and how many triggered SL. Let me open all these charts one by one. First, let me go to the Manappuram chart. This is the 15 minutes chart. So this is what we planned on Manappuram. We planned to enter short here around 125.50 and the target was this around 123.30. SL is 1 rupee. The target is 2 rupees. So it gave entry and it gave target as well in the first 3 candles. So this gave 1:2 trade as we planned. And now let me go to the IGL. This is the IGL trade. We missed entry just by few points. And then what happened? It has given some profit, like close to 1:2 target, something like that. But we missed entry by few points. Now let us look at Petronet. This is another trade which give us entry. So it gave us entry, but it was trading in the zone for a lot of time. So we came out of this at the buy cost itself, according to our rules. And later it went much high. That doesn't matter. We came out of this stock at buy price. And what is the next stock? Jubilee Food, it didn't give us any entry. Adani Ports. This is HIT trade, which we planned on 5 minutes. If you see, it gave the entry. It even gave the target what we planned. This is 1:3 trade. If you are risking 1,000 rupees, you should have got 3,000 rupees over here. Not only that, actually it gave much more. Even it gave like 1:4 trade also, but that is fine. Whatever we planned, the 1:3 trade, the target is done. And the next trade is a PL. PL is a SL trigger trade. This is the short which we planned. It gave the entry, it based little bit, and then it started moving up. This is one trade which SL got triggered. ICICI General Insurance. So I asked you to, it got the entry and I asked everyone to exit around this level where it was giving 1:1.5. On the Telegram, I asked everyone to exit because trend was not in our favor. And the last one, Ujjivan. Ujjivan directly opened above our level. This is the level, short level, which we plan. It opened directly above that. So there is no trade at all. And to summarize, Manappuram, this has given 1:2 trade. And then Petronet, we exit at the buy cost. Adani Port has given 1:3 trade. And ICICI General gave 1:5 trade. If you are risking like 1,000 rupees risk per each trade, you should have got 2,000 rupees in Manappuram, 3,000 rupees in Adani, and 1,500 in ICICI General Insurance. We exit Petronet at buy cost. So, and one SL, 1,000 rupees loss and almost 5,500 profit. That should have been the calculation if you traded 5,000 rupees per trade. Now let us, 1,000 rupees risk per trade. Now let's see how we traded in Nifty. So this is a Nifty chart and this is one 5-minute supply which we plan. Let me show you on Telegram. I clearly told you. So this is our group. I said it is opening almost close to the supply. Once it go there, it can start falling. If you see this arrow, I put it like to the close of previous day. So I said to enter a put or to short Nifty future in from this supply area for this target and see what happened. As expected, in the first candle itself, it gave the entry and from there it started coming down. It came all the way down to the gap filling area. That is what happened in Nifty. And we also planned one more trade in Nifty. I wanted to show you that level also. First, let me show what was the plan on Nifty. And then I'll show how it reacted exactly on the chart. So let me pull up Nifty chart here. Okay. Just give me 1 second. Let me show you what we planned in Nifty. Okay, here. If you see, this is the Nifty chart. Around this area, I said if the price go above 19,525, we can, Nifty is looking bullish, you can go long above 19,525. So the first target will be previous high. Above that, it can go much higher. That was the plan. You see what happened here. The moment it went above, you can see it went to the previous high, and from there also it went much more high. I personally didn't give any trade because this happened after 3 p.m. So whoever know about the levels how to trade, definitely they should have made some profit in this bullish up move. Now let me show you FinNifty chart. We have traded on FinNifty as well. So in FinNifty, if you remember, we entered some put around this area and we booked profit here. We expected the price can go till to the lower level. As expected, the price came to the lower level as well. And the next put we planned was when the price strongly closed below this previous low. This is where we thought like to go put, but as see, I said the risk reward won't match if you enter put here. The reason is even though we have the demand area below, if you see this is the candle, uh, once if the price come here, the gap is completely filled. So that is the reason the risk and reward was not matching. I asked everyone to wait for the price to go till back to the previous low level, and that is where we entered the put. If you remember, we entered a put around 80 rupees here, and we came out of that put here around 100 rupees. And what happened later throughout the day, later it was just hovering around there, and from there we have seen nice bounce in FinNifty. And let me show you Bank Nifty, how we traded in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, I marked this level and I said like once it go above 44,765 level, because it was earlier, this is one important level, it was taking support, it has broken, and again next day it went high, it tried to take support, and whenever it is below this line, it is acting as resistance. Whenever it is above, it was acting like a bit of support. So currently it was below this line and it was taking facing continuous resistance at this line. So I said like once it go above that, we can definitely look to go long. If you remember, this is what we have been looking in Bank Nifty. So we wanted the price to go above this, and the arrow, if you see, the target will be the current day high. And as expected, if you see, once the price went above this, it came almost close to the day high. So that is it about Nifty and Bank Nifty, how we traded for today. Now let us see how we can plan for Monday. So for Monday, if the price go till 45,300, for sure we know we are going to short there. And if the price come to this level back again 44,600, and if you see any indecisive candle and pullback, that is where we'll try to look to go long. And let me go to the 15 minutes. Let me show you something here on 15 minutes chart. On 15 minutes, you can even put some trend line here. Once the price go above this trend line, maybe then we can look to go long, aiming for this target 45,300. So one more time, if it go above this trend line, let it break this previous high and come back a little bit, we'll enter long for this level 45,300. And to go short, it will be bit difficult. We want the price to go below current day low. That is the place where we look to go short. And when we look to go short, our first target is like very near. This is the gap area. So once it come to the gap area, maybe we need to quickly book this 200 points profit, and then we need to exit this, and the fresh entry again will be below 44,260. Only when the price go below 44,260, that is where we look to go short Bank Nifty again. So again, if the price go above 45,400, that is where we go long. And when the price come here, definitely we'll short it with SL above this, and we go long above this trend line. That is about Bank Nifty. Now let me quickly show you Nifty chart as well. So for Nifty, it is very clear. It has closed almost at the all-time high, and we'll see where the Nifty will open on Monday, and we'll take decision accordingly. Pre-market levels will be this demand area. I'm not too much comfortable on this demand area, because even though there is a nice pullback from this area, I don't like what I'm seeing on the left side, but still if there is any pause in the price around this area, then we'll look to go long in Bank Nifty. Let me show you something on 5 minutes as well. Okay, this is already done. We don't need this anymore. So as I said, if the price come here and if it make any indecisive candle, that is where we look to go long. And to go short, it is bit difficult. If it go below 480, we'll look to go short for this 50 points. And if it go below 19,400, that is where we'll look to go short in Nifty. And let me also show you Nifty levels for Monday. Let me remove this line. So in Nifty, if the price reach 20,187 level, that is where we'll definitely look to short. And if the price go above that, so if the price reach this area, this is where we look to short. And if the price go above supply area, again we look to go long. If you see any indecisive candle, definitely we look to short from this area. This should be the plan in Nifty. Again, when it come here, if you see any indecisive candle and if the next candle break the high of a previous candle, we'll definitely look to go long in Nifty as well. That should be the plan in Nifty and Nifty. And to short, again, if it go below 19,900 levels, that is where we look to go short. So that is about Nifty, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Coming to the stocks, I'll post them on our Telegram channel. Whoever watching this for the first time, you can find the Telegram channel on our group. You can join the Telegram channel to get the live updates about the stocks, index and everything. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch up again.